A 100-year-old pastry chef taught me this. It's the best cake I've ever tasted. Let's start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. Add 200 milliliters sugar, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine. Now let's mix all of this thoroughly. Next, pour in a cup of milk. Let's mix again. Then add a cup of 50% cocoa chocolate. Now gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Finish with a tablespoon of baking powder. All done. Now pour it into a greased, floured pan. Bake at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. Once ready, poke holes using a straw. Then pour a can of condensed milk on top. After spreading, add a box of chocolate milk. Top with 200 grams of ganache. I used 50% cocoa chocolate for this. Next, let's decorate with strawberries. In the center, I'll use 2 chocolates, any kind you prefer. I'll also add some roasted peanuts. Then chill it until set, then slice and enjoy. Look how incredible this cake turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina, sending you a big hug. See you next time. Take care.